Hey there, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a super quick and easy and delicious chicken and mushroom stir fry, Chinese takeaway style. Let's go. I have some chicken breast fillets here, or you can also use some chicken breast or chicken thighs, it's up to you. They come in little strips. You can remove the fat. So just slice it up roughly into smaller pieces, like so. All right, into the bowl. Quick wash. Now, let's marinate the chicken. In your bowl, you're going to add some white pepper, some light soy sauce, about 1 big tablespoon, some oyster sauce, about half a tablespoon, and some Chinese cooking wine, just a very small amount, about a quarter, less than a quarter of a tablespoon. Give it a quick mix. Now we add some potato starch flour, about half a tablespoon goes into the bowl. You can also use cornstarch, but at the restaurant we use potato starch. This will thicken your chicken and make it nice and tender when cooking. See how the chicken has thickened up? Finish off with a tablespoon of oil. This will lock in all the marinade, make your chicken nice and velvety. Alright guys, that's done. So just let that sit and marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now we prepped the vegetables. First of all, some mushrooms. I am using brown chestnut mushrooms. I do tend to like them a bit more than the white mushrooms. So I do recommend giving your mushrooms a quick wash, as some of them can be quite dirty. Alright, we're just going to chop them into smaller pieces, like so. Remove the ends and just halve it. So you get a very nice, reasonably shaped mushroom. Comment down below if you would also like to see a salt and pepper mushroom recipe. It's also one of my favorites. It is easier than you think. Now I'm going to prep some additional ingredients to go with the dish. I'm using some very simple ingredients. 1 carrot, 1 onion and 1 spring onion. Onion, open up a few strips and then just halve it. And you get a nice cube shaped. There you go. Carrot, 45 degrees down into the carrot and about 1 centimeter in, right? And then lay it down and slice into thin pieces. So you get a nice shape, like so. Spring onion, literally just 1. Halve it down the middle. And then just cut it into about 1.5 centimeters long into the bowl. 1 teaspoon of dehydrated garlic. This is what we Chinese takeaways and restaurants use. So this is what your bowl should look like. You'll also need some potato starch water for this dish. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Wok on. Oil. About 2 ladles. First of all, we're going to cook the chicken. Heat up your oil. Get it nice and hot. Chicken in. Leave it for about 10 seconds. Off the heat. and then back on the heat. And now separate the chicken. See how the chicken's browning? Getting that nice color there. So give it about 2 minutes. You can strain it out. There's some nice chicken pieces there. Heat up your wok again. Oil. Vegetables. In. Fry for about 10 seconds. Then add your mushrooms. Bit more oil. Fry. Now we add water. 1.5 ladles. And now we season. Oyster sauce. Bit of salt. Bit of MSG. Bit of sugar. White pepper and sesame oil. Bring it to a boil. Add your chicken back. Give it a flip. Yeah. Don't cook it for too long because the mushrooms will wilt. So bring it to a boil and get ready to thicken it. With some potato starch water. In. Around the side. High heat. Make it nice and thick because the mushrooms will release more water as we cook. A bit more. Bit of oil to finish. Bit of dark soy for colour. Cooking wine. And now we serve. This is how you make chicken with mushroom. This has got to be one of my favorite dishes to eat with rice. Mushroom. Amazing. If you don't like mushrooms, I'm afraid this dish isn't for you. But if you do like mushrooms, give it a try. Super juicy. Super tasty chicken. Right, hope you've enjoyed watching this video and I'll catch you next time. Bye!